right, next we've got storeling. And Mike, your time's going to start now.
Well.
Alright. Hi, I'm Callie. We're introducing storeling today. The idea behind storeling is kind of like a Pinterest meets your online shopping. So what inspired me was I'm frustrated that I have to go, to individual sites to do my online shopping. I have to make separate payments. It takes a lot of time. Maybe not even such a time constraint for me, but for say the mom who has a lot of kids, has to run around all over the place. She only has a certain amount of time to do her shopping. Someone who's doing holiday shopping, we were asked a lot of how this applies to men. Men don't like to do shopping. So when they're online, they want to get their shopping done as quick as possible. Storeling allows you to create your own customizable virtual shopping mall, where you would drag and drop your favorite stores, the stores you like to shop at, into one database. So you can keep coming back to it. You don't have to search individually throughout the internet. Saves you some time. Even for more unique sites, you're not going to lose, maybe you saw a cool trendy site, you don't remember the name, throw it up on here, you won't forget it. Another really cool feature is that when you go through to these sites, so you can click through, it'll come up, and on the side, we like to call it a universal shopping cart. So your products that you have there, you can drag and drop into your shopping cart, which allows you to make one payment for all of your purchases through whatever sites you're shopping through. You don't have to put in your payment information more than once. Shipping all works out the same. It's all through those sites. It's just that you get to enjoy the convenience of having it in one. So that's the base idea. What we'd like to also implement, again, to make money, we want to do a social aspect as well and tie it all together. So retailers would want to post incentives to pay us to put their ads. Maybe there's a percentage back if you put that retailer's site in your mall today. So I guess that's a revenue stream that we were thinking of. We want a social aspect where people can see your mall, they can connect with you based on what stores you have. Based on similar interests, they can suggest new stores to you that maybe you don't have in your mall that they think you would like. Another incentive for retailers, really, so that the more they push their store and have it in other people's malls, the more you're going to see it, the more you're going to buy. As far as competition, there's PayPal. That allows you to kind of have one set payment that retailers can use, but there's fees. People don't like it. It's not as user-friendly as I think it could be. Ebates is another one. You get kickback if you shop through their site, but I think the social aspect that we're kind of hoping for really, and the customizable aspect, differentiates that from Ebates. Really, we need a lot more development work to go along with it. We had some design work, we kind of threw it out because it didn't really mesh well with this idea. But we need to talk to, payment processors, people who provide shopping carts for those retailers. We need to talk to the retailers. So there's a lot of work to be done. But we really just played around a lot. We took a long amount of time really nailing down an idea and figuring out what kind of direction we wanted to go in, but I think towards the end it gave us a solid idea for what to shoot for if we continue to work on it. That's kind of the idea behind the virtual shopping mall.
All right, thank you, Stuart.
So you mentioned that the customer pays only once. Does that mean you are proxying the purchase on behalf of the customer at each of these stores? Or so who processes the credit card? The stores or you?
So the way we're thinking it would work out is their payment processes are kind of linked to our one. You have it. You're going to make your payment information and set it through our site, but it can branch out to those other retailers. So in a way, you're putting it into those sites, but in a way you're not, just because it is all linked up and connected that way.
Is the
So-
business model you'd collect a fee for doing that or a cut of that?
Yeah, because it really is to the retailer's advantage to be, you know, on our site in shopping malls, because it's gonna increase new customers. If they're seeing who their friends like, they didn't know that store. Just having them see that store more often. I mean, if it's locked into their mall, they're gonna come up when they go shopping anytime. They have that on their on their database in their virtual shopping mall.
I think the idea you're going with, collecting a bunch of shopping locations into a single location, has some merit. I think you'll probably do better with affiliate payments rather than trying to figure out how to do proxying of the payment on behalf. You might actually run afoul of credit card rules that this guy back here probably knows more about than me.
Yeah, that's one thing we consider. We don't have much knowledge on that yet either.
How do you keep competing stores interested in the virtual mall?
Well, I think a really cool thing that I would like to see them offer if this keeps going is incentives. So I would like to see a store maybe be like 25% off right now, or between 2 and 6 if you add this store to your mall, or if you suggest it to a friend. And stores can compete that way. Or if there's a reward system, that you can get maybe 20 points if it's some sort of point system for adding that mall. And those competitors can really differentiate themselves that way and try to pull away from whoever their competitors are. It's a lot of ideas for one idea.
All right, any further questions? All right, thanks very much, Sterling.